Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change your domain name in Shopify. We'll access the Shopify dashboard. I've already got the Shopify dashboard open here. Now let's scroll down the left sidebar to Settings. Let's click on that. The Settings page will open. On the left sidebar, scroll down to Domains. Click that button to open the Domains page. To remove our domain, we'll go to the domain in question. You'll see your domain listed as the store's primary domain. There's also a myshopify.com domain that redirects to yours. Let's click on this, My Shopify domain. After clicking, the config page opens. Click the button to change domain type, then select the box that appears to make it the primary domain. Now click the button to change. Done. It's now the primary domain and is available for removal. Click it, and on the left side you'll see a delete domain button. Click it, confirm removal, then click the remove button. For the www domain, repeat, click open page, click remove domain. A box appears, click remove, and with that the domain has been removed. Now that we've successfully removed the domain, let's connect a new one to make this change. To do this, go to Connect an existing domain at the top. Click it and a new page will open asking for the domain name. Simply enter the domain name. Here, input your new domain. For example, enter myexampledomain.com, quote, comma, then click next on the right. The next page will prompt you to connect your domain. You can follow the instructions here or visit the Host2B channel and search for your domain registrar's name. For instance, GoDaddy, HostGator, or Namecheap. You'll find a tutorial on pointing your domain there. If you'd like, you can click the Follow Instructions button and you'll see Shopify's setup guide to help you with this process. Alternatively, you can watch our Host2B channel for guidance. After following these steps, click Verify Connection on the right to see if you've missed anything. It'll show you the values you need to enter. If you prefer, just click Add Domain on the left to proceed without verifying. Your domain will show as unconnected, but following the earlier steps will connect it properly. You'll just need to set up the DNS records. I won't demo this as it varies by domain registrar, but each has its own process. Our channel has tutorials on how to do this for different providers. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.